Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm so excited because I have an unboxing video for you guys today. So as you guys can see by the title, I got a camera. I got the Canon M50. I'm so excited, so I just wanted to unbox this with you guys. So today is Saturday. I did get the camera on Thursday. I was so excited, but I wanted to wait until I recorded this video and just unbox it with you guys. I was gonna wait until July to buy a camera because I wanted to see if I wanted to keep recording videos. So I was gonna give myself that time. I started making videos on December, and then I was gonna wait till July to see if I actually wanted to keep making videos, and then I was gonna buy myself a camera for my birthday. But honestly, I couldn't wait any longer, so I just figured I'd buy a camera now. I don't know, I just hope that having a camera, just spending that money on the camera keeps myself accountable to making videos. So I wanted to start YouTube back in 2010. I know it's like years and years ago. But I never really did. I did make a couple, like 2 or 3 videos, and then I took them down. But anyways, that's a whole nother story. But today I just want to go ahead and do this unboxing. I'm so excited. So I have the package right here. I got it from Best Buy. I believe it was $600. Anyways, without further ado, let's go ahead and open my camera. Okay, so I was gonna order the camera off Amazon because I just got the camera and I saw that Amazon had like starter kits where they had like a microphone and an SD card. They included a couple different accessories, but honestly, Amazon isn't shipping until like May. Like, I don't know, I would have got it until a month from now, which is totally reasonable with everything that's going on. I know their priority is shipping things that are important, but I couldn't wait this long, so I just had to order it off at Best Buy. So here is my camera. Guys, I'm so excited, I know, like, I'm really excited. They did have them for like $800 and you got the 2 lenses, but I only got this lens. I am actually looking to order the other one that I want. I think it's called like the flat lens, the pancake lens or something. I don't know. Honestly, I've been on YouTube, I've been Googling. I've just been looking at all the lenses, like I've been looking at the lenses I can use, the things. I'm not very good with cameras in general though, but I did hear this one was pretty easy to use, so hopefully that is the case. Okay guys, here's the camera. I'm so excited. They did have a silver one, so if you prefer silver over black, they did have that option. So as you can see, it has the flip screen, which I really like because right now, like, I can't really see if I'm in the frame. So before I record, I usually have to kind of double check and see if I'm in the frame. So I really like that I can see myself. I'll be able to see myself when I'm recording. And I also like that it's small, like it fits in your hands. So if you want to go ahead and vlog with it, or I don't know, it's easy, like when you're traveling, it's not like really big and bulky, it's pretty small. And it comes with this lens. This is what I was talking about. You could get 2 of them for like I think it was $800. But I figured I'd go ahead and start with this one. I've never had a camera where you can change the lens, so I'm kind of nervous about this. I don't want to break it. Okay, so I went ahead and took this off. And I'm going to take the lid off of this. Ooh, look at this. So obviously, I need to put the battery in. It's not charged, so I'm going to go ahead and charge it. And then I'll show you guys what it looks like. And it does come with the strap. I'm going to go ahead and put my battery to charge, just so we can go ahead and use it. But anyways, I'm so excited. I feel like it's going to be so much more easier recording on my camera versus my phone. And then like, there's some times where I want to reference back to things and I need my phone and I can't because that's what I'm using to record. So I'm so excited And then, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and charge my camera, and then I'll be back to show you guys what it looks like. Okay guys, well I'm back. It's been a few hours, and I went ahead and popped the battery onto my camera. But I'm really excited to start testing this out. Obviously, I just got it today basically, so I haven't had a whole bunch of time to mess around with the settings. But I just kind of wanted to show you guys the camera, and then I just wanted to show you guys when it's on. So I'm really excited, like I said, that I'll be able to see myself when I'm recording. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and stop recording on my iPhone, and I'm gonna start recording on the camera just so you guys can see the difference. Okay guys, so I'm no longer recording on my iPhone. I am recording on the camera, and I love that I can see myself. I think I will probably catch myself looking at myself instead of looking at the lens, but I do like that very much, that I can actually see what I'm showing, because like if I'm doing like a clothing haul and I'm actually trying to show you guys the garment, I can see if it's actually in the frame. So I'm pretty excited about being able to see what exactly you guys are seeing. I feel like it looks pretty clear. I also know that the lighting has a lot to do with it. I feel like the light coming from my window is also helping, and I do have a little ring light that also helps. So I'm gonna go ahead and get closer to see if you guys can see how clear it looks. So I guess if I ever wanted to do like a makeup tutorial, which I don't really know if I'll ever do, I feel like you guys can see, and I'm just kind of trying to get you guys to see how clear it looks, or see how clear it looks. Well, anyways guys, I kind of just wanted to do this unboxing videos with you guys because I was so excited of getting my camera. Like I did mention earlier, I was gonna wait until July just to see if I kept recording videos, but I don't know, I just kind of wanted to get it now, and hopefully I just keep recording videos because like I said, I've wanted to upload videos on YouTube like for the longest time, and I just felt like I had to give it a try. So as of right now, I have about 175 subscribers, and I hope by the end of the year to reach 1,000 if I keep uploading once a week. So if you guys are new to my channel, I do upload videos once a week every Sunday. And I upload videos about like fitness and health, not necessarily working out videos, but just like healthy recipes, fashion videos, and yeah, I feel like that's kind of like what I upload. But if you guys have any ideas on any videos that you guys would like to see, comment down below, because I love reading comments. I love to see what you guys think. Like I said, I just kind of wanted to show you guys my camera. Well guys, I will see you guys next week. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so you are notified every time I upload a video. Bye guys.